Let's see how to save a scenario in the Network Design Navigator app and open it in inventory planning to be able to use the inventory planning app with the output of network design. So in this case, we have already run a scenario. We see that it already has a cost associated to it. And if we go to results overview, we're also going to see the map and what the different flows are. So we already know that the question of where the different customers are being served from is already answered. And now we want to be able to extract that information and bring it into the inventory planning app to understand how much of the different products or spare parts should be kept in each one of the locations. So to do that, we click on the Save Scenario button, and we see that there is an option that says Adopt Scenario as Final Result. We will switch that on, and we will call this scenario Test Scenario for Inventory app. And we're going to save the scenario. And here, all of the information from the optimization is going to be saved. And once it's done, we will be able to open it as the network output in the inventory planning app. So what we will do is go to the app's landing page, click on Inventory Planning app. And what's going to happen is we were going to see or be asked about the configuration of inventory app, and we will select it. And we will also be asked about the output that we want to use. And here is where we select the network design scenario that we just had saved. So in this case, I'm going to select this inventory demo 2022. And here we already see that the test scenario for inventory app that we had saved from network design is already there. So I have inventory full data. That's the data that we have previously uploaded into our data navigator specifically for the inventory part. And then I'm going to use the network export from the test scenario inventory app. So once I load both of them, it's going to be able to show me the map of what I had seen previously in the network design application. And we see already that the dots in red are the locations that are not being used, where no stock is. And then the dots in green are the locations that are serving different customers as well. So this is what you do when you want to integrate both the inventory planning app and the network design.